In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a content calendar in ClickUp using templates. We're going to move from a blank workspace to a ready-to-use content calendar in just a few clicks, and I'll share simple tips so you can tailor it to your workflow as soon as it loads. First, head to your ClickUp workspace. Make sure you're in the workspace where you want the calendar to live, especially if you switch between personal and team spaces. Having the right workspace selected keeps everything organized and visible to the right people later. Once you're inside your workspace, look for the plus icon. Depending on your layout, it may appear near the top bar or on the left sidebar. This is your shortcut to creating new items. Click that plus icon to open the creation menu. From here, go to templates. Templates are a huge time saver because they give you a structure that's already thought through. Instead of building views, fields, and statuses from scratch, you'll start with a foundation designed for content planning. In the templates area, use the search bar and type content calendar. You'll see several options, ranging from simple, date-focused layouts to more robust setups that include stages like drafting, editing, and publishing. Take a second to preview the ones that catch your eye. Pick the one that matches how you like to plan, whether you prefer a calendar view, a list of upcoming pieces, or a board with stages. When you've found the template you want, click Quick Use. This tells ClickUp to spin up the template immediately in your workspace. It may ask where to place it. If so, confirm the location you're already in, then continue. Now wait for the template to load. This usually takes a moment while ClickUp creates the folders, lists, views, and fields included in the template. Don't navigate away until everything appears. When you can see the views and sample items, you're ready to customize. Once it's loaded, edit all the spaces you need. Start by renaming lists or folders to reflect your team, brand, or campaign. Adjust statuses to match your process. If you don't need a stage, remove it. If a stage is missing, rename an existing one to fit. Update any sample tasks with your real titles and due dates, and clear out placeholders you won't use. Tweak fields like content type, channel, or priority so they reflect how you make decisions. If a view isn't helpful, hide it. If a calendar or board view is essential, make it the default. And that's it. You've built your content calendar using a ClickUp template, and it's ready for your next piece of content.